Greetings to the lecturers. My name is Nicoleen D. Metric number at 6733. In today's video, I'm going to present my data finding for my topic, Research Design of an Agricultural Load Carrier, a case study in Kota Belud, Sabah. Moving on is my problem statement that I will focus for my research, which is farmer in Kota Belud, Sabah, facing significant challenge in transporting essential farming supply, which is bag of fertilizer, seed, and so on. The lack of proper transportation option, combined with narrow path and rough terrain, forced them to carry this heavy load by hand, on their head, shoulder, or back over long distance. Due to the shape of terrain and the way rice is grown in Kota Belud, accessing transportation from house to the farm and vice versa is particularly difficult. These trainers labor take a toll on their health, leading to muscle fatigue, neck strain, and back injury. This was mentioned by research by Unica et al. In 2023 and also research by Muhammad Sam et al. In 2021 also emphasized that this delay and health challenge reduce their ability to farm effectively. Therefore, addressing this transporting issue is essential to improve both health and work efficiency for the local farming. Next is my research question and research objective. For my research question is, the first one, what are the challenges faced by farmers in transporting their farming necessity? Second, what the existing load carrier used by farmers in Kota Belud, Sabah? Third is, how is the proposed excessive load carrier design can help farmers transporting their house to the farm and vice versa. Next is research objective. The first one is to identify what are the challenges faced by farmers in transporting their farming necessity. Second is to analyze the existing load carrier used by farmers in Kota Belud, Sabah. Third is to propose the assistive load carrier design that can help farmers transporting their house to the farm and vice versa. So this is the overview that the method and analysis that I use for my research question and research objective. For method, I use interview and observation, visual research, product analysis, and design process. For the analysis, I use the thematic analysis, visual analysis, product, and prototype testing. Now is the data finding and analysis from my interview and observation that I have done. For the interview, I have interviewed with 5 farmers. The first one is interview with Puan Catherine and Puan Evelyn. This is the data that I got from my interview from both them, which is both them have experience over 40 years in rice farming. The challenge is still using traditional way on transporting their farming necessity, having problem with back, hand, and neck pain because of how they're transporting their farming necessity, facing challenge in lifting rice, fertilizer bag and poison, and also always carry on the head and facing a slippery road. And what are the suggestions? They suggest to design a bag like mountain potter. Next is interview with Puan Somidi. For Puan Somidi, she have experience over 30 years experience in rice farming. For Puan Somidi, she planting a paddy bukit, which is planting in a paddy at the hill. And what are challenges that she faced? having problem with back, head and neck pain, facing challenge when lifting rice, fertilizer bag and poison, and also facing with slippery road. What are the suggestions to make an innovation product for basung, which is basung is the Kadazan Dusun traditional craft bag. And last interview with Enshe Diamond and Puan Choma. Both them are couple and also have experience in 34 years in rice farming. What are the challenges they face is having problem with back and hand and neck pain, also facing slippery road, paddy field site far from the main road. And what are they suggest for design that is less physical taxing, innovative wheelbarrow, especially in the tile section, and also product is multifunctional where it can use to lift and spread fertilizer or work at the rice field. For my observation session, I been observe how the road, how the transferring their farming necessity, and also what are their necessity they have always to transport, which is bag of fertilizer. And also I observe the road there the farmer need to pass, and also how the farmers pass the narrow road, and also I have observed how they work on the rice field. And next is visual research the existing load carrier used by farmers in Kota Belud, which is this is the existing load carrier used by farmers in Kota Belud, Sabah, which is the wheelbarrow. This product can help them, but not until to their rice field, because the wheelbarrow cannot pass the narrow road. And this is the summary from my interview, which is most of them use wheelbarrow as their farming necessity, transportation, and also the challenge is mostly same, and also the desired features is they want bag like mounted potter, innovation bag, ergonomic and multifunctional design bag. And this is the field observation summary, which is I have observed 4 points, which is uneven terrain, weight of the farming necessity, how to live and weather. For the uneven terrain, existing load carrier, they use wheelbarrow, weight of lifting necessity, they use their physical energy, and also how to live, they use their physical energy. Issue that I have identified is difficult to carry, complaint under heavy load, hard to lift and hold weather. The potential design improvement that I see that can be improved is balanced weight distribution, strong ergonomic, flexible ergonomic, and strong material that might be suitable for the farmers. And now is the research and concept that I have proposed, which is I have proposed 3 design concept, which is for the first one, farmers struggle with carrying heavy loads of farming necessity over rough and uneven terrain. So the design idea is ergonomic backpack style load carrier, and proposed design concept is a load carrier with adjustable shoulder strap and back support to distribute weight evenly. Why? Because it can reduce strain on the back and make it easy to carry heavy load over long distance. Second is farmers find it difficult to transport product ups and downs area. So the design idea is hybrid carrier or backpack with wheel system. So for this concept, a modular design with retractable wheels and backstrap allowing farmers to switch between carrying or rolling. Why? Because it provides flexibility for different terrains and reduce effort needed to transport their farming necessity. The last one is metal trolley are unstable or uneven ground. So my idea is all-terrain stable wheel system. So the concept is a trolley with large shock-absorbing rubber wheel and a low center of gravity. Why? Because it ensures stability on rough terrain and prevent the tipping over. So that's the end for my presentation. Thank you and thank you for listening.